Leso simo sakho esesifile esesilalile iminyaka neminyaka kade uthandaza ngaso kade ukhala ngaso thiwa ngikubuza ukuthi where have you laid it? John 11 verse number 34, where have you laid it? That situation of yours that looks dead, kade uthandaza, kade ukhala, kade umbuzo uNkulunkulu, why me? Kade umbuzo uNkulunkulu, when is the help coming? Now the help is here. Where have you laid it? Master Jesus is here and he's about to lay things into perspective. So present it to him. Where have you laid it? Sekuyoba kuwena ukuthi uphendule uthini. Thiwa ngibuze, where have you laid it? Because usuze wasingcwaba esakho lesimo, usuze wasingcwaba usudlulile no 3 days. Uze wabeka amatshe phezukwazi washushusela lesimo ngempela wasiphathisa kwengane wathi indeed this is my situation. Jesus is asking about it. Where have you laid it? Where have you laid it? The master is here, the savior is here, as busy as he was, because Jesus at that time he was attending to particular things, but now he's back and he's about to raise Lazarus from the dead and he's asking an emergency question. Where nyakhala in all of that, where have you laid him? Nimbeke phi? Ngikhombisani la nimbeke khona. And then immediately bamkhombisa wakhala ekhalela lesimo asibukayo wathi animsusa manje susani lamatshe aniwabekile manje. I'm about to turn the tables and that is for you. You see, that's your answer right there. God is about to turn the tables. God is about to raise the dead. So he's asking, leso simo sakho, where have you laid it? Where mina where when you will answer for yourself. The question they said I must ask it. Where have you laid him? That situation of yours, where have you laid it? Present it to the Father. The Master is here. Your help is here. And when the help is, oh my God, Isaiah, lithi, fear not, I will help you. The helper is here. And so your help has come. And umsizi usiza ongakwazi ukuyisiza.